Here are 7 signs that you are destined to become a superstar. I mean, you are chosen. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom. So we came up with these t-shirts a few weeks back, and you can get them right here on YouTube, just right down below there. And anyway, I ran into somebody in California who was wearing one of the t-shirts, but I wasn't. And he began to tell me how incredible things have been going for him since he got the t-shirt. Now, I don't believe that a t-shirt is going to change your life. But by wearing the t-shirt, I think it puts you in that mind frame of soaring high, soaring above your obstacles, soaring to new dimensions. So anyway, it works for him. I think it'll work for you as well. If you're interested, soaring high t-shirts. Okay, 7 signs you are a superstar. You're not just becoming a superstar, you are a superstar. So high flyers like the synchronicity of me bumping into somebody at Disneyland wearing one of these t-shirts while I'm wearing a Mickey Mouse t-shirt. There's also a synchronicity that you are watching this particular video right now. I don't think it's an accident. I don't believe in accidents. I believe everything happens for a reason. You're watching this channel right now for a reason because in your energy field is the seed of greatness. In your energy field, in your subconscious mind, is the seed of stardom. Now, let's define stardom. For someone, it might be having a great business, or it might be writing books, being an author, or a public speaker, or an actor, or whatever it is. I know people that claim that they are superstars because they have an incredible relationship, a good marriage. That alone may be enough to be able to claim the title of superstar. So whatever you see yourself as a superstar is what I'm talking about. If you see yourself riding around in stretch limos, living in a nice mansion, driving new cars, then that's you, and you are destined to become a superstar. I believe that seed is within you. That's the reason you were drawn to this particular channel and to this particular video. Okay, number 1. You have challenges. You have big challenges. Most people would succumb to the challenges. They would crumble to the kind of challenges that you have. But you are not crumbling. You are taking on these challenges with a greater amount of enthusiasm, a greater amount of will and excitement. You believe beyond any shadow of a doubt in yourself. You believe in your future. You believe in your greatness. You believe in your destiny. You believe that you are destined to be a superstar. So it doesn't make any difference how big the challenges are. Everybody has challenges. Yours might be bigger than most, but you will handle them and defeat them as if they were infinitesimal, as if they were small challenges. Other people crumble with big challenges. You get stronger. You get better. You get more motivated. You get more excited. That's a wonderful, wonderful trait, and it's a sure sign that you are destined to be a superstar. So high flyers, number 2 is a wonderful talent to have. You can be dead ass broke, but when you need it most, money flows into your life. I've seen people like this. They can be right up to the day that they're being kicked out if they don't have the rent. And the rent shows up. It's a wonderful talent to have. But think about it. What if you took that talent to the next level? Because it's a great sign of stardom. It's a great sign of manifesting power. But what if you took it to the next level? The next level is commanding money into your life, not only when you need it, but when you desire it. I command money to flow into my life easily and without effort. Command. But wait a minute. What if you take it to the next level? I command opportunities to flow into my life. I command wealth to flow into my life. You see, you have the ability as a manifestor to command anything you desire to come into your life. You have that skill. If you take that skill to the next level, nothing is stopping you. No stage is big enough to hold you. You are a superstar. You are destined for greatness. Well, high flyers, number 3 is an important one because maybe back in junior high school or in high school, you were comparing yourself. You were, am I tall enough? Am I strong enough? Do I have big enough biceps? Is my hair curly enough? Do I have enough tattoos? Whatever it is, you were always comparing yourself, but now you've stopped. You don't care anymore what other people are doing. You are on your own journey, your own path. You realize that this is a limited experience, and so you are going to literally squeeze all the juice out of life that is possible. You're going to squeeze it out because you're not focused on other people. You're not focused on their opinions. You're focused on your journey, on your destiny, and what makes you feel incredible. This is a huge sign that you are destined for greatness. Number 4 is you see yourself as great. You see yourself as a superstar. I think it was Muhammad Ali who said, I knew that I was the greatest before I ever said I was the greatest. Knowing deep down that you are destined for greatness, that you are destined to become a superstar. Knowing it, feeling it, embracing it, loving it. Oh yeah, it feels good. Number 5 is, I know there's law of attraction gurus out there that aren't going to like this. They're going to disagree with us. They're going to write a bunch of whole negative stuff down below, but that's okay. I'm going to say it anyway because I'm going to tell it to you the way it is. You value hard work. When other people are sleeping, you are working. When other people are still in bed, you're getting up. You're working hard on your body. You're working hard on your mind. You're working hard on your goals. You're working hard on your relationship. You are involved in a life that embraces. See, you're not just working hard and going, I'm a slave. I hate working hard. You embrace hard work because you know that there's a payoff to the hard work. You know that that hard work produces more. By producing, look at, if one person works 5 hours a day and you work 10 hours a day, it's pretty obvious. If you both have equal manifesting skills, and I submit to you that the person that works harder, that likes and embraces the hard work, tends to have stronger manifesting skills. I don't know any billionaires at the top that talk about being lazy. The only people talking about being lazy are people that are lazy. There is a value in hard work, and you embrace it. This is one of your secrets. This is a secret weapon that you have that will help you surpass your competition, that will help you surpass your limitations. Hard work will overcome limiting beliefs, doubts, and fears. Well, here it is, number 6. This is a tough one. Are you ready for it? You're willing to do what others are not willing to do. Others may not be willing to get up early. Others may not be willing to study. Others may not be willing to do what you are willing to do. See, there's a formula for superstardom. There's a formula for success. And that formula is find out what it takes to get there and then do more of it than anyone else. And believe it, become absolutely certain of your destiny. You are willing to do, do I dare say this, Rachel? You are willing to do what failures are not willing to do. Well, high flyers, you are trusting your intuition now more than ever before. This is a huge sign because you're having dreams. You're waking up in the middle of the night with your heart pumping, pounding. Wow, I saw myself in the new house. I saw myself in the new boat. I saw myself with the new job. I saw myself in that incredible relationship. You are having intuition. That's the universe talking to you. You're seeing signs. You're seeing the numbers 777, 333, and 1111. You're seeing those numbers repetitively. The universe is talking to you and saying, you are destined for greatness. You are destined to become the superstar that you were destined the moment you were born. Now, do I believe everybody is destined? Yes, I do. Do I believe everybody's going to become a superstar or achieve their own personal greatness? Sadly, I don't, because most people are not willing to do the work. They're not willing to pay the price. They're not willing to invest in who they are. So I'm going to give you a way you can start investing, and it will cost you nothing. Visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. You see, your subconscious mind, high flyers, determines your future. Your beliefs, whatever they are, they determine your greatness, your level of greatness. You have no boundaries. So get the free audio that Rachel and I have put together for you. Get it now. Start using it immediately and use it for 28 days. Send me a letter. Let me know how wonderful things are working out for you. Okay, we're out of time. I forgot to tell them. We are on iTunes now with our podcast, and we're on Stitcher and a few other places, but we're on with our podcast now 3 days a week, and it is material that is not on YouTube. It is different material. So be sure and check us on iTunes. Okay, that's Law of Attraction Secrets on iTunes. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.